Scanning areas where surface water is present can cause data reflections below the actual data. The PointStudio water reflections filter can identify the unwanted points, apply an attribute name, and filter them from the point cloud before modeling. These scans include areas of surface water. Points have formed underneath the surface. To remove points, first select all the scans. In the Position Filter tab, in the Filter group, click on Filters and select Water Reflections. Assign an attribute name. Select the required filter combination and click OK or Apply. Water reflections have now been removed from view. In Edit Attributes, select Point Tags. The Water Reflections attribute contains two values, water and non-water. Toggle the visibility on and off to see the water and non-water values. Customize your view by allocating the water points with a uniform color. Toggle to show visibility of the non-water value. Now you can visualize which points the filter identifies as a water reflection or not. Visit the online help for PointStudio for details around the water reflections filter. Contact maptek.com to find out more.